Hello, friends. Welcome to Forgotten Foods and Recipes. A lot of fresh vegetables are available during the winter. Time for pot meals. Pot meals bring together the goodness of seasonal vegetables bound by signature fresh masalas. The Undhiyu of Gujrat is a famous pot meal. But did you know about the much healthier and the flavorful Umbadiyu? Umbadiyu is oil-free and made with wild and seasonal greens. It is a staple in the villages and is often eaten as a complete meal. The Umbadiyu is often served alongside with fresh coriander chutney and buttermilk. The chutney is a paste of fresh coriander leaves, peanuts, fresh turmeric, green garlic shoots, lemon, green chilies, and a few spring onions too.
ચટણીમાં મેં આઠ જાતની વસ્તુ વાપરીએ છીએ
8
આઠ જાતની વસ્તુ વાપરીએ છીએ
શું
કઈ કઈ આઠ જાતની
આંબા અરદ લીલી અરદ
લીલી અરદ.
પાલક શિંગદાણા લસણ કોથમીર લીંબુ મરચાં આદુ.
There is no hard-bound recipe for the Umbadiyu. Every home has its unique mix and flavors, and that's what makes it so versatile. Traditionally, the Umbadiyu is slow-cooked over an open fire in a partially covered clay pot that has been filled with the vegetables. The outsides of the pot are covered with leaves, cow dung, and wood. A mix of locally grown seasonal greens such as surti beans, potatoes, sweet potatoes, yams, garlic pods, corn, etc. is used. All these vegetables are cut into largish cubes and marinated in the masalas.
ઉંબાડિયાનો મસાલો હું જાતે જ બનાવું છું.
એમાં શું વસ્તુ આવે
એમાં લસણ કોથમીર આદુ મરચાં એ બધું અમે જાતે બનાવીએ છીએ ને
લસણ કોથમીર આદુ મરચા બસ
ધાણા જીરું અરદ મેં જાતે દળાવેલા.
સરસ
ધાણા જીરું હળદ
ધાણા જીરું તૈયાર નહીં લીધેલું,
અચ્છા
દળાવેલું.
The wet masala is a paste of ginger, garlic, coriander, green chilies, and the dry masala is made from hand-pounded whole coriander seeds, cumin seeds that is jeera, and dried turmeric. Both these masalas are combined to make the Umbadiyu spice mix. And now there is the wild twist to this recipe. This is the interesting bit. The bottom of the cooking pot and the covering top layer is lined with the leaves of the wild herb kalar. Kalar is a leafy green that grows in the fields only during winters. The diced vegetables are mixed in the masala paste. Salt is added to taste. These are then tossed in the clay pot. The vegetables are filled to the top, leaving but an inch. A layer of kalar leaves is used to cover the top. The pot is inverted and the Umbadiyu is set to cook on the slow fire. No oil or butter is used in this recipe. Time for the unveiling. Aha, the Umbadiyu is ready. Now remember, the kalar leaves layer on the top is to be removed and discarded before plating or eating the Umbadiyu. Presenting the Umbadiyu is slightly dry. There is no heavy gravy, but the slow fire cooking enables the masalas to impart their flavor to the vegetables. The vegetables are moist but not soggy. The Umbadiyu is a gluten-free meal in itself. Native local vegetables cooked on slow fire make the dish all the more healthy and nutritious. In other words, ekdam jordar che. So, bhaiyo aur behno, it's tough to make the Umbadiyu the traditional way in our urban kitchens, but we can always experiment with the recipe. Add a vegetable or two of your own choice, or even drop some. Maybe even make a non-vegetarian version of it. You know the masalas now, so go for it. Let us know your feedback in the comment section below. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, folks. Bye for now from Forgotten Foods and Recipes.